There performing to Onam Fusion Dance. Really, really nice. All right, so we've got our last performance for the cultural program coming up here in just a minute. I do have to make a quick announcement though. This is per Anthem Center. We're not really supposed to have people out hanging out in the lobby, so everyone just come in and find a seat. We just got one more performance here, and I promise you're gonna wanna be seated for this one because this one is one that many people will recognize. They really don't need much of an introduction at all. They always bring the energy, the enthusiasm. They really bring all the hype. All right, so we got performing Arav Agarwal, Adi Khurana, Avi Khurana, Kian Parikh, Ryan Sayal, Jay Shroff, Dylan Dosanjh, Aran Dosanjh, Ayan Patel, but you all know them better as Dishoom Boys. Everyone put your hands together.
Bring them out, bring them out, bring them out, bring them out. It's hard to yell when the barrel's in your mouth. Bring them out, bring them out. Bring them out, bring them out. Bring them out, bring them out.
You're in the mix with the Dishoom Boys.
दिल में थे बड़ी याद आनी देख छोड़ तेरी किनारा भर हो गया नी मैं दबा जवाब मुझे खड़ी याद आ की में शौकी याद आ के क्या जो आए हैं क्या सही याद आ अच्छी है न्यूज़ तो जरूर बिच नहीं है पता नहीं है खचड़ियां लागे भी तू बलिए खोल के ला बता दिल तेरी तेरी ना बता और जो बता जो मैं सारा तक जानी तू बंद बंद की चला दे
You're in the mix with the Tissue Boys.
Man, they never disappoint, do they? Nice job, guys. What a way to close out our cultural program. And I want to say a quick thank you to all of the performers who took the time to come up on stage today, people of all ages. Yeah, let's give them another round of applause. It takes a lot of work, and this program wouldn't be anything without all of you who come up here and perform and show so much cultural pride. It really is the best part of the whole program. Now, that's going to be it for my emceeing duties for the night. I'm going to let Nirmalia take over. I just want to say thank you all. This is always a lot of fun for me, and I'm just going to shamelessly plug watch Channel 13, 5 to 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much, Anjali. Thank you so much. This program would not be the same if it wasn't for Anjali. So, thank you all the performers. You just were absolutely awesome. And I also want to thank the parents, because without the parents' support, this would not be possible. I hope you all enjoyed. We tried to give you a variety of a show. So, you tasted a lot of different things. Thank you so much. So, now we're going to take a break. It's going to be dinner break. So let us be very orderly in the way we want to go through the dinner process. And after dinner, we are going to have a big show called the Stars of New York. I hope you ladies are listening, right? What are we going to have after dinner? Dance, yes, we're going to have dance. We're going to have dance, we're going to have music. We're going to have some of the best singers from East Coast, New York, New Jersey, Connecticut. They are here and they're going to just blast this place, alright? So please be ready for that. So, we are going to have dinner now. We are right on schedule. So, we're going to take about hour and a half to set up the stage. This is a very important sound system that we have to set up. So, as soon as the dinner, Pratik, is the dinner buffet open? Pratik Dhuria, Vice President. Ulsan, is the dinner buffet open? Bhavna, can you go and check on this, please? See, the dinner buffet is open, then we will ask people. There are 2 buffet tables, so there will be 4 lines, 2 lines in each of them. Alright? So, no need to rush. There are plenty of time. We are going to be back here at 8 o'clock to start the music and dancing. Pratik, are you ready for dinner? Good. So, wait for 15 minutes. The dinner buffet is not ready yet. We're a little bit ahead of schedule. We're going to feed the band first so that they're all ready and they can start the sound system. 15 minutes before we start the dinner service. 20 minutes? It's okay. much of energy. Thank you, wonderful. Thank you. Sumit Harish. Sumit Harish, Dishum boys. Please come. Thank you so much. It was awesome. It was awesome. Thank you so much. Libby Chaco. Libby. These lights are so I can barely see them. Okay, while we are waiting for Libby, who's the next? Gopal Venkatraman. Kawali in Diwali, Director Gopal Venkatraman. Aikam Sindhu. Great job, Aikam. Thank you so much. Amolika Surpure. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Smile. Amit Agarwal. Amit. Great job, Amit, as usual. Awesome job. Thank you so much. Libby Chaku. Libby, are you here? Onam Dance Director. No. Congratulations. Wonderful. Okay, your attention everybody, please listen up. Those of you who are trying to go outside, walk around, you cannot do that. We don't have the rights to go and use the lobby there. No, we don't. This is a private facility. This is a private facility. Please do not go outside. We are going to be banned from coming back here again if we don't behave.
Ladies and gentlemen, please listen. Everybody quiet for a minute. Everybody quiet for a minute. Everybody quiet for a minute, please. We're going to opening the dinner in 5 to 10 minutes. You are not to go outside in the lobby. If you go outside in the lobby and hang around, they are going to shut us down. Please stay in this area. We've opened the door to get some air. There are seats available up in the front. Please have a seat. Thank you.
Excuse me, can we be quiet?
So we got the stars of New York, the Gold Apple, the Big Apple, stars of New York here. Ready? You ready? So you are in for fantastic treat. All right. So please, everybody, take your seats if you can. So we got some fantastic singers and musicians here to entertain you. So we're going to start with a brilliant young singer, and his name is Neil Nocturni. Come on, Neil. Yes, come on.
All right, Vegas, how you doing?
Come on.
What's up? Make some noise, how you feeling? All right. People are still grabbing dinner, very good. People are enjoying. We came all the way from Jersey, New York, so hope you guys enjoy our performance. We're gonna start with some slow, mid-tempo, romantic, melodious numbers for you all, and then there'll be some Dhamal dance, all that later too. You guys can dance in between the tables and enjoy on the chairs if the venue permits. And yes, on the table, just kidding. Milan Bhai's head. Okay, yeah, this is a very nice song, Rafi Saab song from Dosti. So, I know you guys have been here since 3, so you guys can enjoy this nice melodious number. I've won some competitions with this song, so lots of good memories. So sing along, enjoy. भी तू नैन भी तू मितवा मेरा तुझको बार बार आवाज मैं दूंगा आवाज मैं दूंगा चाहूंगा मैं तुझे साँझ सवेरे फिर भी कभी अब नाम को तेरे आवाज मैं दूंगा आवाज मैं दूंगा आवाज मैं दूंगा आवाज मैं Thank you. Hey Greg, can we get in the middle monitor maybe less of the instruments a little bit maybe and more a little bit? If you can't raise the vocal, just a little less instruments, if that's cool. We're gonna do a little bit of a pseudo 180. This one was from the Ashiki 2 song movie, so you guys will enjoy. Sing along. There's a different version, it's the famous version. तुम ही हो, तुम ही हो, तेरे लिए ही जिया मैं खुद को जो यूं दे दिया है तेरी वफा ने मुझको संभाला सारे गमों को दिल से निकाला तेरे साथ मेरा है नसीब जुड़ा तुझे पाके अधूरा न रहा Sing it, क्योंकि तुम ही हो Very good. जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो
So let me welcome the team leader here, Forum Shah.
How are you doing, Las Vegas? Oh, come on, you guys have been fed up with expensive food and drinks. You can do better than that. How are you doing? That sounds like the Vegas. So yes, we are going to burn all the calories later on by making you dance here. And give it up for yourself, everybody, for this volcanic energy we just saw. We just witnessed amazing talents on stage by your community. So give it up for yourself, everybody. Come on.